everyone, welcome back to Rayyan. Today we are diving into LeetCode problem 520 by the name of decat copy capital. This is a classic string manipulation problem that tests your understanding of character, casing and logic. We'll break it down step by step at all the possible valid capital usage cases and build a clean and efficient solution. So, all in just a few minutes. So, if you are practicing or for coding interviews or brushing up your string skills, so this one is must know. So, grab your IDE and let's solve it together. So guys, let's talk about 520 question by the name of decat capital. Okay, like I have told you in my introduction. So let's start and let's talk about it. Let's talk about decat capital. So now, let's first of all understand the question. What is the question is trying to say? Then we will be solve it in our LeetCode camp. Okay, in our LeetCode camp website. So now let's understand. Now, we define our usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases hold. First, all the letters in this word are capitals like USA. If you see here, he wrote in the USA and USA all the capitals are capital. Number 2, all letters in this word are not capital like if you see here LeetCode all letters are not in capital. If you see this third one, here is only first letter is word is capital like G is only in capital and these 5 letters are not in capital. If you see here, only his first letter has been only in capital. So what is the meaning of it? Why I am telling you that? Because it has been given you one string by the name of word and we want to return if the usage of capitals is in its right. So that's why. So here he get one integer by the name of word in which he wrote it down USA in capital and the output is becoming true. Why? Because yeah, all the letters are capital. Perfect. Now here you can see it is a correct one. And if we see here example 2, in the example 2 here he created a string by the name of word and first letter is capital and last letter has been capital. This is false because it not look like this. This is look like this. Okay, if it will be like this, let me show you. Let me do this. Okay, let's like flag. If only this letter is in capital, so this one must be true. Okay, why? Because only first letter is capital. It is not correct. This one, let me highlight. This one is not correct. Why? Because his first and last letter both are capital. Okay, that's why. Now, these are the constraints which you use to solve this question. This word consists of lowercase and uppercase English letters, so you can see it. And there are only 3 methods. First, all letters in the word are capital, or all the letters in the word are not capitals like this, or only the first letter in the word is capital like this Google. Okay, only there are 3 methods, not more than 3 methods. Okay, must know, you will be must fit this concept in your mind. Okay, here we want you to return true if the usage of capitals in its right. Okay, so now let's start to solve, and it's an easy one question which we are solving in today's video. And let's see the topic was all about the string. Okay, so it must be easier, but there are 8,55,000 people had submitted this and only 4,80,000 accepted and 56.1% has been accepted. So this is an easy one for me, but it must be harder for you. But okay, because I understand the question, we only want to do it. We want to return true if the usage of capitals in it is right. Okay, now here we come. Now we are solving our question in the Python. Like you all the people know, we from the starting of this LeetCode camp we are solving all the question in Python 3. So first of all, here I define a class of a solution. So you are thinking why I am defining a class of a solution? Because it's a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever you start to solve any question, so first of all you define a class of a solution. If you do not define a class of a solution, it must be give you an error. Okay, now define def keyword detect capital use, and use will be capital. self comma word. So I'm defining word because word is in today's video we are using word string. Okay, and now you are thinking why I'm writing here str here. Why I'm writing here str? You are thinking why? Because word is a one string. Okay, so that's why str string. In the short form you say str to string. Bool enter. Return here true if statement word dot is upper. What the upper can do, it will be do all the things in capital. Okay, upper or word 0 dot is upper. Okay, and in the Python you use is upper to do your all the letters in capital, and if you want to do your all the letters in small, so you will be wrote is lower. Okay, one semicolon dot is lower or word is lower. Perfect. Else false, and false have still been capital. So we are writing about all the code. So let's see the running code. So in this code, first of all, here I define word dot is upper, means that our first there is a USA. So USA, if you see it, there's first our output has been come USA. Why you are why here all the letters are becoming USA on the capital? Because I write here word is upper, then I write or upper, then I write word 0 dot is upper, means that the starting first word should be in uppercase. Okay, if you see here, so our first letters will be in capital, and then when I define it, then I write and the word 1 is lower, means 1 ratio is lower. Okay, then word dot is lower, then I write else false. Why I write else false? Because the last letter of our word is capital, so that's why I write false. So let's see the output. So when I run, so in the first case it give me the output true, and the second case give me the output false. Let me show you. You can see expected output is true and my also output coming true, and if you see in the case 2 the expected output is false and my also output has been coming false. Here you can see it. So now here you can see in today's video we solve a 520 question by the name of detect capital. So now we only left to run submit this code. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so let's see. So now it's taking a little bit time, so that means paste it. So here we solve in a 0 milliseconds and I beat 100% people. Here you can see it. I beat 100% people. So I am pasting the solution also. I am writing here easy solution in Python 3 beats 100%. If you want to see the solution with full totally with exam with explain I'm writing if you want to see the solution, if you want to see this with explanation, visit tab Rayyan YT. Okay, here I am writing, and now let me write this only, and then I am writing here also write this and like this, and then YT post, and I posted a solution. So here you can see in today's video we solve a 520 question by the name of detect capital. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never see these type of videos on this channel. Okay, and this is my profile. If you want to see my profile, so my profile name is Rayyan, so you will be go and view it. Okay, so now let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.